Hello everyone. Have you ever felt tired of the fast-paced city life? Have you ever wanted to find a peaceful place, nurture tiny seedlings with your own hands, watch them grow, and bring delicious, wholesome meals to your family? Today, I want to share with you the simple joy I find in my little vegetable garden. Here, I spend time enjoying peaceful moments, relaxing, and returning to the simplest values of life. My garden is like a miniature world full of color. The green rows of vegetables, blooming with brilliant yellow pumpkin flowers, are like a vibrant floral carpet, bringing radiant beauty to the entire garden. The young seedlings, fresh and vibrant, are like little children I care for day after day. Every morning, I wake up and go to the garden, admiring each plant, finding little joys that energize me for the day. My garden is like a miniature world full of color. The green rows of vegetables, blooming with brilliant yellow pumpkin flowers, are like a vibrant floral carpet, bringing radiant beauty to the entire garden. The young seedlings, fresh and vibrant, are like little children I care for day after day. Every morning, I wake up and go to the garden, admiring each plant, finding little joys that energize me for the day. Caring for my garden is not just a chore, it's a passion. I carefully water each plant, gently fertilize them, prune leaves with care so the vegetables get good air circulation, and weed to prevent them from competing for nutrients. Each action is filled with my dedication and love for my garden. I love feeling connected to the earth, sensing its vibrancy and softness, the fragrance of the leaves. It helps me become more relaxed, peaceful, and optimistic. It's such a blessing to harvest the fruits of my labor. Ripe red tomatoes, plump pumpkins, juicy purple onions. These are all the sweet rewards my garden gives me. I feel proud that I've grown clean, safe food for my family with my own hands. The greatest joy is sharing a delicious, safe and nutritious meal with my family, made from our garden's bounty. The sweet, clean taste of the tomatoes, the subtle aroma of the pumpkin, everything brings joy and warmth to our family meal. Simple dishes, but they contain my love and care for my family. My garden is more than just a source of food for my family. It's where I find peace, harmony, and a connection to nature. I love the feeling of nurturing those tiny seedlings, watching them grow each day. It helps me become more optimistic, more confident, and more in love with life. Growing your own vegetables is not just a way to get clean food. It's a way to connect with nature, find joy and peace in life. Give it a try and experience the simple joy that gardening brings, my friends.